In front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this HUAWEI. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Home Screen and Wallpaper. Now click on Themes at the top and select one of the available ones or tap on More Themes at the bottom. Then choose Enable in the pop-up in order to continue. Finally, you can pick one of those themes or click on Categories. Tap on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to, or tap on one of those options, in my case, top 3. Whatever you do, when you're ready, click on the best theme for you. In my case, that one. Then select Free Download. Click on Download and Install. And hit Apply. So when I do that, I can see that theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, access Settings again, choose Home Screen and Wallpaper, click on Themes and tap on one of those, like Golden Waves. Then hit Apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!